This summer, we visited Flying Horse Farms for the 100th camp session. You know, it is a magical place where campers with serious illnesses can just relax and focus on having fun. The camp is free to attend, and there's a full hospital staff that specializes in the campers' needs. Well, since the beginning of Flying Horse Farms, Abercrombie and Fitch employees have been involved. You know, they've done some painting, decorating, and volunteering. But in recent years, the company decided to take that relationship a step further, entering into a 5-year, $15 million partnership and setting up a counselor program, which allows associates to volunteer at any Serious Fun camp in the world for a week at no cost and no vacation time is used.
Our associates really are the energy behind our entire partnership with Serious Fun and Flying Horse Farms. And I caught the passion from them. And in fact, I'm going back this summer as well. I'm really looking forward to it.
Each year, hundreds of applicants apply for the 100 counselor positions around the world.
So the fact that we just offer them fun, I mean, that's a humbling experience, once in a lifetime experience that our associates feel very privileged to be a part of. And then to see that impact on the camper, I mean, that's just not something that you come across.
Many of the counselors initially had concerns about being at a medical camp, but those concerns quickly fade away.
I think naturally you're going to be nervous going into that. I was nervous I was going to mess something up, and that, you know, especially when you're dealing with such serious illnesses, you want to make sure you're taking every single precaution to cater to these kids. The minute you step onto camp, you realize these are normal, happy, lively kids.
They laugh and they sing, they have struggles, they have their good days and their bad days just like everyone else. So in the end, you just treat them like anyone else. One of my favorite things every night was what we do is cabin chat. We talk about their rose, bud, and thorn. Their rose is their highlight of the day, their bud is something they're excited for, and their thorn is maybe a fear of theirs or something they struggle with. But night after night, to see that thorn become a bud and a bud become a rose, it's great to see that progression.
So camp is fun, camp is joy, it's laughter, it's throwing paint, it's all these things, but it does go deeper, and the real impact of camp is that transformation and the things that the kids can take at camp, the confidence they can gain and take with them outside of the gates and carry that magic of camp with them wherever they go.
And it was so interesting talking to them. Dougie there has volunteered at 28 camp sessions. We're talking weekends, week-long camps. Alex has also been back, I think, 8 or 9 times, and now does some volunteering at Nationwide Children's Hospital too. But it's kind of like they get this passion for this place, and they want to do everything they can to help these kids and to see the camp thrive.
And again, it's always, you always think about what it does for the kids. It does a lot for you too internally.
Oh,
it really does.
Absolutely. You take that and you carry that with you. Now, one of the ways that A&F is raising the money, because that is a lot of money for Serious Fun camps, which Flying Horse Farms is a part of, is the A&F Challenge, and you can attend. It's coming up on September 7th. There's a 5K, there's live music, all you can eat, and all you can drink too. It sounds like a deal to me. Headliners are Fitz and the Tantrums, Judah and the Lion. The tickets are only $75 for adults, $25 for kids. Go to anfchallenge.org. There were 4,400 guests last year, and they raised $3.5 million, making this one of the largest fundraisers in Central Ohio. There's hot air balloon rides, there's zip lines, there's activities for the kids. I mean, it's a lot of family fun, Ben, and it will sell out too.